Hi guys, it's Chris. It's a little Halloween. My husband said he wanted a Halloween look, so I used my favorite palette so far of the year, Sugar Skull. And my skin don't look so good, but I will show you what I did. It's alright. Just a couple things. This is going to be like a 5-minute video. I wanted to show you this. I found it today and I was so happy. This bracelet, if I'm not mistaken, was made by a friend of ours from the Potawatomi tribe. She has since passed on, but my mother had left this. I found it today while I was working. And my sister, if I'm wrong, I'm sure she'll correct me, but I think I'm right. The other thing is, what is the other thing? I had talked about anybody that's having trouble sleeping. I had my husband call my doctor's office and basically put his foot down. And today I was there, and I'm trying something tonight. We'll see, but apparently, I guess that's what you have to do nowadays, is just be in a blank hole. And, yeah, let's see, I found a lot of neat stuff. I'm really excited. I have just a ton of stuff to send to different people, and I do have a little thing that I'm going to do today. This bag, it's the little Lorella bag that came with the mystery package that I got. This thing is full. I mean, I'll give you a peek. It's as full as I can get it right now. If I can get anything else in there, I will. Most of it is high-end. I don't know what the value of it is, but you must be a subscriber, no international. And, yeah, this is what's going to be kind of difficult. I got this bracelet. Let's see, right here. It came in last week. And for anyone that really knows me, they know that when I'm not on camera, I'm kind of a salty type person. Yeah, and I'm trying to think of what on earth I can give you as a hint. And everything, okay. It's not very polite, I can tell you that. I don't even know if you can type it in the comment section. However, I think that's the only hints I'm going to give you. Whoever's the first person to guess it right will get the bag full of stuff. It's just a little something I decided to do today while I was fooling around getting stuff ready. So, that's it. I know there was something else, but can't remember. So wherever you are, I hope you're well. Have some fun. Take care. Stay safe. You know, watch your surroundings. You guys know. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Take care.